Take a ride in the 2014 Edge. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, roll stability control, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find cruise control, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cargo area light, compass, trip odometer. Come take a test drive today.
This Ford-certified pre-owned vehicle has undergone a rigorous 172-point inspection by factory-trained technicians. We notice everything. Enjoy the confidence of the comprehensive limited warranty that offers coverage on more than 500 components. Relax, it's covered. See your dealer for details.